Hi everyone. This video is for you if you're thinking about buying a home in the near future and you have no idea where to start. So we've developed an 8-step buying process to help make your buying experience more rewarding and more successful. So let's get to it. Okay, the first logical step in our 8-step buying process is simply just to get together for a buying consultation, get to know each other, and create a wish list for exactly what you're looking for. We can narrow it down to the type of home you want, the neighborhood you're looking for, how many bedrooms, the type of yard. There's a whole bunch of different criteria that we could set out to meet exactly what you're looking for. The second step is to get together with a mortgage specialist and go through the pre-qualification and pre-approval process. This is absolutely imperative. You don't want to start your search, get all the way down to the offer, and then you realize you can't either afford or you're not qualified to purchase the home that you've fallen in love with. We'll get you introduced to a great mortgage specialist who can help you throughout that process and create the buying experience a more pleasurable one for you and a more successful one so that you could actually get the house that you want. The third step is for me to create a custom search portal for you so that you instantly receive new listings that meet the criteria that we discussed in advance. That way, as soon as the house comes up that you think is a great property for you, we could get out there and view it. And then naturally, the fourth step would be to schedule viewings for the homes that you think might meet your criteria or to go visit a couple of open houses. I always advise you to call me first, let me know if there's a property that you like, and we could go view it together. That way that we have no outside distractions, we could take a look at the home in pure privacy and see if it's really a great fit for you. And then once we've found that perfect home for you, now we get to the fifth step, which is writing up an offer on the property. So once we write up the offer, some of the things that we'll be discussing, of course, are the price for the property, the amount of deposit that you'll be putting down on the property, what are some of the inclusions, the closing date, some of the conditions that we'll put on the offer, and then of course some of the standard clauses that we do to protect you and make sure that it's a seamless process on closing. So now that we're at the sixth step, things are getting pretty exciting because this is the step of offer acceptance, when the seller actually accepts your offer and we get to the point of bringing your offer to your mortgage specialist and your lender to make sure that it's good in their eyes and that they're willing to finance you for that particular property and the terms that we've set out in that. It's also the step that we go through the home inspection to make sure that all of the mechanicals and the property is in overall very good condition. And now at the seventh step, we're getting very excited because this is the time for closing and getting the keys. During this phase of the buying process, this is when you're doing the final sign-offs with your lawyer, and perhaps we go through a couple of pre-closing visits to make sure that everything's good with the property before you finally accept those keys and take possession of your new home. And then the eighth step, we save for the celebration. You've packed your bags, you've moved in, and now you're enjoying your new home. So why not celebrate? I'd do a victory dance for you right now, but if you know me at all, you know that I can't dance and it would be an embarrassment to me and my family. So thanks for joining me and have a great day.